Want to give your employees access to their own HR data but aren't sure how? You're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a fast and straightforward way to give your team the ability to view and manage their own HR data, streamlining your workflow and boosting transparency. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a way for you to try out the software we're using today for free, exclusively for viewers of my channel. First things first, when setting up employee access to HR data, the easiest and most effective solution is using the right HR software. There are a ton of options out there, but I've tried all the most popular ones, and I'll tell you which one stands out. Now, the first step is to choose the right HR software that supports employee self-service. This software allows your team to access their own data, like pay stubs, benefits info, and personal details in real time, securely. Once you've selected the software, set up your account and make sure it has the right permissions for employees to view and update their data. The next step is to create individual employee profiles within the software. You'll need to input or upload the necessary HR data for each person. Think payroll, benefits, contact information, and anything else that's relevant. Most software systems will let you bulk upload this data from your existing records, which can save you tons of time. Once employee profiles are created, you'll move on to setting access permissions. This is where you decide who can access what. For security reasons, you'll want to make sure that employees only see their own data, not anyone else's. Set these permissions through the software settings or user management section. This is also the point where you can control if employees can edit their data, update their contact info, or simply view it. After permissions are set, it's time to invite employees. You'll likely send them an email with a link to log into the software. Most HR software will offer single sign-on, SSO options for easy access, so employees don't have to remember yet another password. And don't forget to explain what kind of data they can expect to see and how to use the platform. This will minimize confusion and make the process smoother for everyone. Once employees have logged in, they'll be able to access their data anytime, anywhere. But you're not done yet. Make sure you regularly review access settings to ensure data security and ensure that any updates or changes to employees' data are reflected properly within the system. Finally, don't forget about security. Choose a software that encrypts data and offers strong authentication methods, like two-factor authentication, 2FA, to ensure your employees' personal and HR data is always protected. As a quick recap, here are the key steps. Choose the right HR software that supports employee self-service. Set up employee profiles and upload HR data. Define access permissions for each employee to ensure they only see their own information. Send invites and set up easy login options like SSO. Regularly monitor access settings and keep data secure with encryption and 2FA. And remember, if you want to follow along and give this a try yourself, I've got an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, available in the description below. Make sure to take advantage of this offer. It's only available for my channel viewers. Key takeaway: giving employees access to their own HR data not only saves you time, but fosters transparency and trust. Just make sure to set up the right permissions and keep things secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial in the description. See you in the next video.